be the rider's first choice in motocross, you have to handle better, go quicker, and run longer. These were the goals with the 2014 Yamaha YZ250F, where nothing was overlooked. For starters, it now uses the same rearward slanted engine as its larger brother, now with state-of-the-art fuel injection for superior performance with a broad power band and incredible pulling power. I'm Tim Olson, Yamaha's Motorcycle Media Relations Manager, and I'm here with former AMA Supercross champion and founder of motocross riding schools that bears name, Travis Preston. So Travis, you spent a ton of time testing this new YZ, so what are some of your initial impressions?
Well, Tim, I'm excited about the motor. Yamaha has maintained the bottom end, mid-range, which they've been known for, but this year they've increased the top end power.
Our rearward motor design also achieves the same mass centralization and air intake benefits as the earlier YZ450F. A long straight air intake up front and an all-new exhaust coming out the back optimizes power and pushes mass towards the center of the bike. Virtually every component on the all-new rearward slanting 250cc engine has been reworked with two goals: more power and more controllability. Travis, how does this translate to the track? This and the YZ450 are the first modern motocross machines to perfect this layout: front intake, rear exhaust.
By doing that, the bike has become more balanced now. The bike's more stable going down straightaways. In the corners, the traction front to rear does not change. The bike will be very balanced all the way through the corner. Also, by keeping the weight centralized, the bike becomes easier to change direction.
This sounds like the perfect machine to go attack your local motocross track. And if you want to go from just massive power to full competition mode, you can add any or all of the incredible line of GYTR and genuine Yamaha performance, protection, and style accessories. Engineered by the pros, ridden by the pros, built by Yamaha for perfect fit and finish. Plus, with the optional GYTR power tuner, again the same tool the pros use, riders can custom tune the bike to even more exacting specifications. The exhaust pipe utilizes 3 different diameters, once again to boost power, along with being moved closer into the center of the bike, complementing mass centralization. And the new air cleaner box has an increased volume. So what does all this mean out on the track?
Well, with the new exhaust, the air intake, and fuel injection, this bike rips.
Power and torque are one thing, being able to handle that power during a race is another thing entirely. That's when you need instinctive handling and class-leading suspension performance. So in addition to being the most powerful YZ250F ever, it's also more compact. So Travis, what does this all mean when you're out there leading the race?
Well, with great suspension, you don't have to worry about the bike beating you up. With a strong, usable power band, you know you're going to get the whole shot, so you'll be out in front.
Front fork rigidity and surface coating has been improved. New top triple clamp adds even more to the bike's rigidity for better handling and reduced vibration. The fuel tank is even deeper into the bike, along with a redesigned rear shock reservoir, centralizing mass even more. And the new seat assembly hides the fuel tank cap, creating a larger riding position. This on top of one of the most comfortable seats in the category. Even standing still, you can see the YZ legacy has been ratcheted to a new level.
Every detail has been refined, tweaked, pushed, and prodded with one goal in mind: the top of the podium.
The all-new 2014 Yamaha YZ250F. Folks, the blue is back.